Today I will discuss about this book, the contents of this book, The Winning Way. So let us see. I'm going to give you a brief about this book written by Anita Bhogle and Harsha Bhogle. This is one of the best-selling books in terms of management, and the name of this book is The Winning Way: Learnings from Sport for Managers. In this book, there has been a great relation between sports and the corporate world. So what managers can learn from the sports is highlighted in this book, and how management in sports is equally related to the management in corporate world. So let's see. So this is the acknowledgement part. If you see the content of this book, why this book, what is the need of this book has been described: the business of winning. What is the traits of a winner or a winning team, like a winning company? If you see the corporate, then the goals. What are goals? Goals, it has been defined in this book as goal is dream with a deadline. And it has discussed about the winning triangle: the ability, attitude, and the passion. So these are the three elements which needs to have. So step by step, if you have ability and you have attitude also, then you need to have a passion. Then you can succeed in a very will succeed. Definitely you are going to succeed. And the burden of winning talks about the success management. Then learning from losing, like what are the mistakes which you do and you need to overcome, so that in the next phase it is not going to harm you. Then the change, it talks about the market situation, the changes which happens in market. Like if you see in sports, initially the test matches were there, and these reduced to 50-over matches. Then again new format has come, the T20. So the players need to have the ability to work under different sports situation. Then the team building, like how a good team leads to the win, as we see in the corporate world. Also talks about the leadership, how leadership, how it brings together the team members, so that whatever the individually they were about to contribute, if you club them together, then they are going to contribute more than what the sum would have been. Then the challenges in today's world, like what are the different challenges. So this is the content, and this book is very well written. The language is also easy. There is no any language which is very hard, and the words used, and the English is also very fine. And in some parts, some sketches, not sketches but some diagrams are there. Like you see this diagram is there, talks about the ability, attitude, passion. So overall this book is very nice, and this book I think you can finish. It depends on your, if it can be finished in 10 days or 20 days. It's okay about this. Okay. So I would like to suggest you to read this book to relate with the sports and the corporate. And since many of us in India are fans of cricket, so it mainly talks about the cricket. It has given examples and what are the wordings which are used by the former cricketer like Don Bradman, Chappell, Saurav Ganguly, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Rahul Dravid, and other players of Shane Warne, Adam Gilchrist, Hayden. What were the comments during the World Cup, and what were the thoughts just before the final matches for Australia, and what is the reason behind choking of the South African team just before the finals? Why in finals they are not able to perform? So these things have been discussed in this book, so you will get some history also, and you will get some learning also through this book. So hope you are going to read this. So thank you all. And I want to show the back cover. So this is the back cover, and the price of this book is 250 rupees, but you can get in 100 or 150 rupees in Flipkart or Amazon. And this is the cover. Okay, so thank you all.